What the
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Appomattox County and central Virginia, northwestern Charlotte County, eastern Campbell County and central Virginia, northeastern Pennsylvania County, northwestern 5 p.m. At 3:15
Find resources to help.
the thunderstorm was located near Long Island or near Brookfield, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Brookfield, Red House, Natalie, Concord, Rustburg, Cody, and Madisonville. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds, as well as deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Locally, heavy rain will quickly reduce visibility and result in flooding of water on roadways, standing water in low-lying areas, and minor flooding of creeks, streams, and areas of poor drainage. Drivers are urged to slow down and use extra caution to avoid hydroplaning. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Pennsylvania, Virginia. Here is a special message from the National Weather Service for the following counties: Pennsylvania, Virginia. Flood at times will be in effect until 6:30 p.m. this evening. West, flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where portions of
Out of nowhere, a severe thunderstorm warning gets issued. Wow. And actually, I'm actually going to. There we go.